Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with me Sravani. So in today's video I'm going to show everyone's favorite mango dal. I know that everyone know how to make this, but still I want to show how I'll make it at my home. So chalo then, let's see how to make it. So for this, let's keep a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add few mustard seeds, few cumin seeds, 3 to 4 red chilies, 3 to 4 green chilies. Just fry them for 2 minutes. Then add some asafoetida, chili powder, turmeric powder, add few curry leaves. Now let's add chopped raw mango. Just give it a nice mix. Add 1 small glass of water. Mix it. Cover and cook this for 10 minutes on low flame. Now I am going to add pressure cooked red gram dal and Fenugreek powder. Add salt as per your taste. So just mix it once and cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Yeah, now it's done. Let's turn off the stove. Just mash it here and there and serve with rice. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee on the top and serve hot with rice. So that's it guys, this is the way I make it. Chalo then, see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.